When you want some alone time, where is your cozy spot? If you want to find out more, stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, and today I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now this collaboration is entitled The Comfortable Area for Indoors or Outdoor Challenge 2019. And it's hosted by two wonderful YouTubers, and they are Cynthia of She's So Blessed and Tammy of I'm Me, I'm Myself, and I'm DIYing. Now, these two ladies had some simple rules for their challenge. Now, rule number 1 is to have fun. Number 2, mention both hosts in your video. Number 3, show some love and support for each individual in this challenge. 4 is use your hashtag, and the hashtag is comfortable area. I will have it on the screen down below. Number 5, place the host channel and playlist on your description box. And all they ask for us to use in this challenge is a pillow, a cup or a wine glass, a throw, and a book. That's all they ask. And they ask for you to share your comfortable area. So, if you're interested in seeing what I come up with for my comfortable area, you know what to do. Stick around. Alright everyone, I'm going to show you my comfy space. Now, I like to go somewhere where I can sit back and relax and chill and have me a little drink on the side, because I'm not a drinker, meaning like tea or soda or punch or water, whichever I bring with me, or even a smoothie. You know, I am a smoothie girl too. But my comfy area is comfortable to me, and I get to relax and unwind. So I hope you enjoy my comfy area as much as... Now here is my comfy area. Now I have this throw that's really warm. Yes, I love this throw that I keep here on my side of the bed, of course. And I have my pillows here that go with my colors I have here in my room. And then the book that I am presently reading is the Woman's Devotional. I've been studying this book to study the Bible in a year. So every night I read a section. You have a section you read a day. So I'm on that right now, studying that, and I have my other resources to go along with it. I have my Bible and another study manual that I use when I get stuck on certain issues. But here is my nice fur throw. And over here on my nightstand, I have my drink, which I made some berry tea. And then I have my bottle of water, as always, that I keep here for at night when I go to bed. I always bring me a bottle of water in. And on the back, I have a few more books that I use for references or read on when I can. And then here is my lap tray that I use at night when I study and do my planning for my YouTube channel. So I have my planner, I have my tablet, and some note paper and things that I use there. And I normally take that and put that across my lap when I'm sitting in bed to read and study. So here is my comfy spot that I like to use, that gives me relaxation, that keeps me feeling at ease when I come here in my bedroom. So of course that's the mirror I DIY'd, and then those mirrors up there I purchased off of Amazon to go with the theme I had in mind for my room. But I wanted to share with you my comfy spot, and I would look forward to seeing you other ladies, other participants' videos, and showing your comfort spots. I hope you enjoyed my video, and this is Stephanie from CreativelyMsMe saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.